The difference between gaining 1 pound a month and 3 pounds a month is not luck. It is whether you use a food scale or you guess. Today we show you the data that proves weighing beats guessing every single time. You log your lunch as a chicken breast and a cup of rice. But that chicken breast is actually 150 grams, not 120. And that rice is 200 grams, not 150. Multiply that error across 3 meals a day and you are missing 600 calories of your surplus by dinner. Funny moment: your food scale is sitting in a drawer, still wrapped in plastic, judging your eyeball-based estimation skills. The mirror is watching, too. A 2024 Journal of Nutrition study found that adults who weigh their food consistently are 50% more accurate at hitting their calorie target than those using visual estimation alone. MyFitnessPal data published in JMIR mHealth 2024 showed that food weighing users hit their macro targets 60% more often than volume estimators. A 2025 Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics review confirmed that visual calorie estimation underestimates true intake by an average of 20 to 40%, especially for calorie-dense foods like nuts and oils. 40%. That is how much people underestimate their intake when they eyeball portions instead of weighing. You think you ate 3,000 calories. You actually ate 2,400. Here's your 3-step Day 24 action plan. Step 1. Buy a digital kitchen scale. They cost less than $20. Weigh everything raw before you cook it. Step 2. Download MyFitnessPal and enter foods by weight using the scale, not by cup or by volume. Step 3. Log every meal within 30 minutes of eating. Delayed logging drops accuracy by up to 30%. Myth. I know what a serving of pasta looks like. I have been eyeballing it for years. Truth. Even experienced eaters consistently overestimate portion size. A 2025 Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics review found visual estimation error persists across all experience levels. The scale removes guesswork entirely. Let's recap Day 24. Visual estimation underestimates calories by 40%, so scale your food. MyFitnessPal with grams beats cups every time. Log within 30 minutes of eating for highest accuracy. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, Day 25, we cover bulking on a budget, cheap calorie sources.